Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to disable section row module on desktop, tablet, mobile in Divi theme builder in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see, so this is our module and then you see settings, so click on it and then you see advanced, so again click on it. So we are in button setting and then you see visibility, so click on it and then you see disable on phone, tablet, desktop. So you can select option according to your requirement. So we are going to hide this module on desktop. Now enable and then save. Now you see section, so click on section setting, go to advanced and then visibility. Now you see disable phone, tablet, desktop. So you can disable according to your requirement. So you can disable section, row, modules. Now click on save. So we hide this button on desktop view. Now save done. Go to page. Now you see button and refresh the page. Now you see button is hide on desktop view. Now go to mobile layout. Now paste. Now set width. Now you see button is visible on mobile layout but disable on desktop. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.